Welcome back. The High Court has issued notices to Goa government and State Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in alleged Comunidade land grab case. Petitioner Advocate Iris Rodriguez has challenged the order of Administrative Tribunal allotting 599 square meter land to Parulekar. The court has directed them to file their replies by 18th November.
The High Court on Tuesday issued notices to the Goa government and State Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in alleged Comunidade land grab case. This plot of 599 square meter of land on Chogam Road at Porvorim used to belong to Seraul Comunidade. But in an order dated 27 September 2012, Administrative Tribunal had allotted this land to Dilip Parulekar. The petitioner in his petition has challenged the power of Administrative Tribunal to pass such an order. Petitioner has contended that as per law, Tribunal has power to regularize Comunidade land worth up to Rs 300 only. But the value of this land is about 1 crore. Petitioner also raised doubt over timing of the order as regularization process was started and hurriedly culminated by the then president of the Administrative Tribunal just 2 days before his retirement. Counsel for Dilip Parulekar contended that Administrative Tribunal has passed the order in his favor on the basis of recommendation letter written by the members of Seraul Comunidade after holding general body meeting. The court has directed state government and Dilip Parulekar to file their replies before the next date of hearing, that is 18th November. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The tussle between truck owners at Shakti bauxite mines in Nakheri Betul seems to be resolved. They were at loggerheads over trips issue. Collectors meeting with truck owners has decided to list out age-old truck owners and give them priority. Other truck owners have agreed, as they had complained that few of their colleagues were trying to derive undue advantage by posing as local truck owners.
More than 500 trucks are transporting bauxite from Shakti bauxite mines via Bali, Margaon to Vasco. Truck owners from Fadoda, Margaon and from outside the Betul area are upset. They claim that some of their colleagues posed as local truck owners and enjoyed the undue priorities in transportation. Collector N.D. Agarwal held a meeting with truck owners from Betul, Fadoda, Kunkoli and other areas. Meeting was attended by Lisi Mayur Gosalia, Deputy SP Mohan Naik, Kunkoli PI Raju Rao Desai, Deputy Collector Sangeeta Naik and others. Truck owners have agreed to allow local truck owners on priority basis for carrying the bauxite. Meeting resolved to list out traditional truck owners of this mine to avoid confusion and turmoil in future.
आणि ते मायन ओनरांनी जबाबदारी घेतल्या आपण ते लायनीन घालतलो म्हणून सगळे आता तितले म्हणून आमगेले हांगा हे मिटवला आणि ते जे कोण पयलीं गांवचे येता न्हू तांकां ते तशेंच सांगला तेणें आनी ओनरान शॉर्टलिस्ट करता म्हणून सांगला जे कोणी आपल्याक पयलीं रेग्युलर चलयला आनी तशें करून.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Malaria cases are on the rise at Akembaish in Margaon. Around 19 cases have been detected in the area. 6 teams of doctors visited the houses and collected blood samples for examination. Fogging technique was used to control mosquito breeding in the area. Minister Avartan Furtado said waste water from houses is left in the drainages, which results in mosquitoes breeding. Rise in malaria cases was specifically reported in the month of October.
Most of the drainage things are left in the drainage, which is very bad. And these are the breeding places for the mosquitoes. So we are telling all the household people like not to leave the waste water in the drainages.
पहिले काय ना हे सगळे पहिले वर्षावर काढताले मशीन घालून तासून उडताले ह्या कोणा काय हात घालू ना कोणा काय हे पडतो किती भरल्या तो पडे फम पुरवल्या ह्यो खळयो अशें तरी हांगा चल्ला हांगा हे जावपाक कारण म्हणजे इतले वर्स केन्ना जाल्ला हें जावपाक कारण हे.
They are trying to take blood of most of the people. They are trying to show them where exactly is the breeding source, and they are trying to educate them. What we'll be doing is सगळ्यो slides be check करून we will see how many are coming positive. Breeding places are आमी spraying करतात. Yesterday evening आमी fogging केला. जर गरज पडल्यार आमी परते fogging करतले. These are 3 major steps we are taking. Moreover, we are visiting the rental people also. जिने हांगा भाड्यान दवरल्यात which are not from Goa. बाकीचे प्लेसीस बाकी स्टेटींतली जेंच्यान हे जंतू सामके भरपूर आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.